At kapag higaan po ang pinag-uusapan, iba lang talaga ang dekalidad, matibay at tatak Pinoy na Salem Bed. Matutunghayan ang mga bagong lifestyle showroom ng Salem Bed sa BGC na mas sosyal, mas curated at perfect sa bagong henerasyon, pero abot kaya pa rin ang presyo. Detalye ihahatid po sa atin sa isang report ni Gian Alianes.
Pagod ka na ba sa pwede na natulog? Well, Salem Bed just said, let's level up. After over 5 decades of being the OG sa ginhawa at kalidad sa higaan, binuksan na ang bagong lifestyle showroom sa BGC. Mas sosyal, mas curated, mas you. Perfect para sa bagong henerasyon, pero abot kaya pa rin.
The Salem Enclave BGC showroom will offer more modern and refreshed products and same durability, of course, which the brand is known for.
Gawang Pinoy, galing Pinoy. Proud ang Salem Bed na nakatutulong sila na maipakita ang dedikasyon ng mga Pilipino sa paggawa ng dekalidad na produkto. Dahil kapag tatak Pinoy, it's built to last.
We have always taken pride with the use of locally sourced materials and time-tested expert craftsmanship. With these, we are confident with giving our products with a lifetime service warranty.
Para sa isang long-time user ng Salem, quality never went out of style.
Well, I think it's good that it's getting the brand out to more people. As I was looking through the showroom, we have smaller mattresses and of course new models that have adapted to the changing times without sacrificing the quality and the heritage that it has been known for all of the years.
No cap, we found the comfiest corner in BGC. And let's be real, price matters. Hindi lang dapat sulit, kundi super worth it.
Yeah, I think it's because of the price point. They're not very expensive, at the same time affordable. So yung what you pay for, you get good quality mattress. Yun, hindi mo lang siya mabibili sa supermarket, sa department store, but now they have a showroom here in BGC.
It's time to level up your sleep game. Bisita na sa Salem Enclave BGC showroom sa 2 Meridian Tower, Bonifacio South Street, BGC.